วัสดีครับ Today we come to the Thai restaurant. So this one's pineapple fried rice, tom sam ต้มตำpapaya salad, and this one จิ้นแขวหวาน mint green curry. Okay. So we need to take some fried rice. They say this one is very nice. So they keep the inside have prawn, you see. Wow. Prawn and nut and some chicken for what? Lots. Okay. They put powder curry also. Little bit sweet. Oh, because the chicken prawn is prawn. See the prawn? Oh, very fresh. The prawn very fresh. And the green curry chicken. The soup. Okay. Little bit spicy, not spicy. Oh, the spicy coming. Okay, this one papaya salad. Oh, they put a lemon already. I think they put oh, they do. So try the salad. Okay, but not strong. It's not enough the lemon, but okay. You should put a peanut. No peanut. No peanut. Original, you put peanut. Okay. Okay. This one is a green tea, Thailand green tea. Oh, true Thailand green tea. So another lemon grass. You can see the lemon grass. Oh, strong lemon cut. Very soft. Okay. For me, okay. Oh, it's okay. Okay. See you. Bye bye. Enjoy my lunch. Bye bye.